Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to temporarily turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus on a Windows 11 computer. Before we begin, remember that disabling this protection can leave your PC vulnerable to viruses and other security threats. Only continue if you have a specific reason, and turn it back on as soon as you're finished. To get started, click the search icon on the taskbar and type Windows Security. Select Windows Security from the search results and wait for the application to open. Next, choose Virus and Threat Protection from the left-hand menu. If the menu is hidden, click the three-line icon in the upper left corner to expand it. Scroll down to the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, then click Manage Settings. Find Real-Time Protection and switch it off. Windows may display a user account control message asking for permission to make changes. Click Yes to continue. Real-time protection is now temporarily disabled. While this setting is off, Microsoft Defender will not automatically scan files you open or download. On the same page, you'll also find settings for cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. These features can be switched off as well, but doing so further reduces your computer's protection and is usually unnecessary. If the real-time protection switch is unavailable, tamper protection may be preventing the change. However, it's best to leave this security feature enabled unless you completely understand the risks. Keep in mind that Windows may automatically reactivate real-time protection after a short period or following a system restart. Once you've completed the task that required Defender to be disabled, return to this page and switch real-time protection back on. And that's how you temporarily disable Microsoft Defender antivirus in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward Windows guides and tech solutions. Thanks for watching.